Hi dears, today we are going to see how to present our project which we typed in latex code. Here you can see the latex code we already typed which can be present by using Beamer. So here I represented some codes that you have to copy it when you are doing math related works. So document declares Beamer. So if you put here Beamer, then you will get such type of slide presentation, that is PPTs. Okay, so this is important. Beamer. And then I'm using the theme named Madrid. Then color theme is Beamer. So while doing this math related, I think so you have to copy all these commands in the preamble, right? Now begin document, end document. That's the compulsory one. And here the author that I am given here as Soumya is, and the address. Then my title here, just I am noting here as my PPT. Okay. So begin frame and make title. So if you give here make title, then only this will be, the slide will be uh, emerge. Okay. And then we can see how the next slide will be. So for that I have to give begin frame, that is the next slide. Okay, begin frame and end frame. So here I'm going to copy the text which I am already taken. Okay, for example, here I am pasting what I am need, that I am pasting. So you already have the latex file, right? So what you need, that you can paste inside this frame. Okay, so little by little you have to paste it. Now I am compiling. Here you can see it. So inside the begin frame and end frame, I have to paste it and do the compilation. Henceforth you will get the slide, the second slide. Yes, here you can see. This is the second slide. So for this I need the title. So what I have to give here is frame title. Frame title. Okay. And inside this title, I have to give the title name. And now I am texting here introduction. Again, you have to compile it. Here you can see the changes. Within a while, you can see here. So here you will get the title as introduction. Got it? And here you can see this text is not justified. Here you can see roll to, then under, it is an irregular form. Okay, so for justification, what we need to do is just we have to give the command as justifying. Okay, justifying, you have to give the command, and after that compile it, you can see the difference in the slide. Just for a while. Okay, so before this paragraph, you have to give the command as justifying. And you can see the difference. Now you can see the difference. It is justified. So for one frame, you have to give what we need in this slide. And after that, if you need the title, you have to give the command as frame title. And if you need the justification of the text, you just give the command as justify, so that this will be complete. So this is the second slide. The first slide is the main one, that is our title one. Okay. And the second slide, again I have to take the other slide which will be given the command as begin frame, so that you will get end frame. Okay. Now I am pasting the other one. Now I am going to paste the other one here for the next slide. Yes. Okay. So here, so just compile it and you can see the difference. So two slides is already prepared. Now we are preparing the third slide. Just for a while, you will get the third slide. It's taking time to compile it. Let's see how to generate this. You can see the third slide is also generated. What I'm give inside this frame, it will be exposed as the third slide. Okay. So now I need something different. So for that I'm giving block. Okay, frame block. So now I am giving something different as begin block. Begin block. And now I am pasting this, so you can see the difference. Okay. And now I am compiling again. So you can see this will be changed inside in a block. So here you can see the difference. I'm given this text inside the block, therefore a block is created. Okay. If I need to give the title, what I have to give here, the exact title you have to give. I'm given here as operations. Okay. And just compile it, you can see the difference. And not only that, in the text here, you can see it is not justified, right? So what I have to give, justifying. So backslash justifying. If we give it, and then you can do the compilation, there you can see a perfect slide. Now you can see here block. Okay, so the normal frame is like this. Okay, just you have to give begin frame, end frame, and if you give the frame title, this type of slide you will get. And if you need such type of blocks, you have to give here backslash begin block and end block. Okay, so this you can usually give for theorem statement. If you have the theorem statement, you can give here the theorem statement and give begin block and end block. And in the place of operations, you can give theorem 2.1, 2.2 like that. Okay, so this is the way we have to prepare the slide for the latter code. So if you have more latter code, just you have to paste, you have to open such type of document, that is Beamer presentation. After that, you can cut and paste inside this frame. But you have the latter code, and then compare it, you will get a perfect slides. And after that, now you can see how to write the bibliography, that means a reference. Now I am going to give the reference. See here, I pasted, you can see it. So this is the reference frame, begin frame reference. Enumerate means number 1. Okay, Alvadri, that is the first reference. Second reference, so that only we are giving here as backslash item. And you must give here begin enumerate and end enumerate. Okay, so here I have first reference, second reference, third and fourth and fifth. Next, I need the sixth one. So for that, I have to give the command a save number. Okay, up to fifth it is saving. And next slide, you have to give begin and end frame. And frame title you have to give continuation, because the last continuation you are moving to the next slide. So again you have to give enumerate, that is begin enumerate and end enumerate. Here I give save now, right? And here you have to give a resume. That means here already 5 references completed, and if you give resume, it will be generated automatically as 6th reference, 7, 8, 9, so on. Okay, if you not give resume or save num, what it happened means in the first slide it will be 1 to 5, and the second slide is also from 1 to 5. Okay, so that you must give the continuation of the reference should be there, means you must give the same number and the resume. Now you can see the difference, how it will be generating. So compile it. Now you can see the change here. After compile, you can see the reference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the next it will be as 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By giving the comment here a save num and resume, only this will be possible. Okay, and then the last slide you can give the thank you slide. So for that, Now you can give this like this, okay? Begin frame and centering. I'm giving the huge, that is letter, the word here is thank you. And now you can see how this frame is generating. Here you can change, here you can see the slide which has thank you slide. Okay, so this is the way you have to prepare the PPT by using the latex code. So in this frame, you can give begin figure, end figure, everything that you already typed in latex, just paste it and do this presentation. It will be a perfect one. Here you can see my name and the department. This all I given in the first itself, right? See here, it is given at the very beginning itself, but when we generating the slides, you can see each and every slide, it will be here. Okay, so I recommend Beamer slide for the PPT presentation. Hopes it will be help you. Thank you.